How to receive client payments with Wise Business. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you looking to receive international payments from your clients efficiently and affordably? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to receive client payments using your Wise Business account on laptop. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser just click on the search bar and simply search for Wise. And now here on the search result you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of Wise. Now here make sure that you log into your Wise business account and make sure that you select the correct business profile if you manage more than one. And now next, you can just click on the balance tab from the sidebar and after that it will show you all the available currencies accounts like USD, EUR, GBP and much more. And here to receive money like a local, you can choose the currency that you want to get paid in. For example, if your client is paying in USD, you can just click on your USD balance and then hit on get bank details. And after that, you will see your Wise bank details like your account number, short code, IBAN or routing number. So simply copy and send these details to your clients so they can pay you just like they would a local supplier. And here your client can now transfer funds using their local bank, wire or ACH and they don't need any expensive international fees on their side. And once the payment is sent, you will get a notification when the funds arrive and you can hold them in that currency or convert them to another one or you can even withdraw to your local bank account. And that's it. That's how you can receive payments from clients using Wise Business. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.